Discover how ChatGPT is revolutionizing customer service and digital assistant tasks, and explore the ethical implications of this powerful AI tool. Welcome to our exploration of the ethical implications of ChatGPT, the revolutionary artificial intelligence chatbot tool that's transforming businesses around the world. We'll look at how ChatGPT is changing the landscape of customer service and digital assistant tasks, and how, with immense power and potential, there are important ethical factors to consider. Join us as we explore the needs of both businesses and society, and how ChatGPT enables us to create a balance between technological advancement and autonomy so that everyone can benefit. Subscribe to AI today and join us as we continue to explore the ethical implications of ChatGPT and its potential for transforming businesses and society. With new insights and development, stay tuned for more episodes and conversations about the future of AI. Today, AI is becoming an increasingly important part of our lives. One of the most impressive applications is ChatGPT, an AI chatbot used by businesses all over the world to automate customer service interactions. From simple questions about product availability to complex queries involving multiple fields, it's clear that machine learning has made great progress in the marketplace. But with this power comes potential ethical implications, like privacy concerns or issues with surveillance technology. This raises the question of how much control should be put on these powerful tools. How can we evaluate the impact without limiting the opportunities for business owners, customers, and other stakeholders? These are just some of the questions we might consider when finding the balance between technological advances and autonomy. Ultimately, this will decide how successful AI becomes in the future. So what measures should organizations be taking when using or implementing ChatGPT to remain ethically conscious while still taking advantage of its benefits? ChatGPT has the potential to change how AI is used in the world today, both in businesses and beyond. It has a user-friendly interface that could be a great alternative to Google. As it continues to develop natural language processing technology, from customer service bots to digital assistants, there are more ethical questions to consider. For example, should there be rules about how much control we allow for powerful tools like ChatGPT? Are privacy concerns and surveillance technologies too intrusive? How do we decide what measures need to be taken by organizations that use ChatGPT while still protecting people's freedom? What should the consequences be if something goes wrong? Should people or machines be held responsible? These are important questions that challenge us to think and know how to use technology safely while protecting people's rights. ChatGPT and Google are two of the most popular AI chatbots around. They're different in the way they work. ChatGPT is great for customer service, while Google is better understanding natural language for digital assistants and other tasks. Both have powerful technology to help businesses answer complex questions and conversations quickly. However, Google usually needs more specific information from users before it can give a good answer, while ChatGPT can understand broader questions without extra help. In the end, both are working to make faster responses with conversational AI technology, which is getting better all the time. This brings up an interesting question: how do we balance precision and speed when using AI chatbots like ChatGPT? What measures can you use to ensure that ChatGPT is used ethically in the long term? Share your thoughts below. ChatGPT stands out from other AI chatbots with fast and efficient response times. It can understand questions more broadly than counterparts like Google, which require you to enter specific search terms for better results. Though natural language processing technology, ChatGPT is able to provide accurate answers without needing extra help, making conversations faster and easier while still providing relevant information. But speed isn't the only factor. This powerful tool has an accuracy onboarding rate of 96%. Clearly, ChatGPT surpasses expectations when it comes to delivering reliable customer service quickly. But how does all of this affect pricing? What kind of pricing models should be in place so both business owners and customers feel satisfied with their purchase decisions? It's also an important question we must consider because there's a balance between affordability and efficiency within AI services like those offered by ChatGPT. The cost of ChatGPT has been a big topic lately, since many businesses are now thinking about how to use it. ChatGPT can automate complex customer interactions and give accurate data quickly and efficiently, so it's a great way to save money. But when it comes to pricing models for AI chatbots, what is the best option? Is it free or pay per use, or should you charge based on usage over time so customers know exactly how much they're spending? These questions could be applied to different sectors like healthcare and legal services, all of which can benefit from using service bots to reduce labor costs and get results faster. How can industries use ChatGPT in an ethical way while getting the most out of it? ChatGPT can be really helpful for a lot of different industries like healthcare, legal services, and customer services. For example, in healthcare, ChatGPT can give accurate advice quickly because it uses natural language processing technology that gets better every time it's used. Legal firms can also save time and money by using ChatGPT to store information about their cases without needing to hire extra people or companies. And businesses in general can use ChatGPT to answer customer questions quickly and accurately, saving them time and money. But while ChatGPT is a great short-term solution, we need to think about the long-term too. What measures should we take now to make sure we don't have any ethical issues down the line? We need to ask ourselves how much control we should give ChatGPT today before it's too late and we can't do anything about it. What measures do you think we should be taking to ensure ChatGPT is used ethically in the long term? Share your thoughts below. ChatGPT is becoming more and more popular because of its amazing features, helping businesses all over the world automate complex customer interactions and making data accuracy faster than ever before. This is helpful for a lot of industries like healthcare, legal services, and customer services. Plus, it has powerful machine learning tools like natural language processing technology, meaning it can keep getting better every time it's used. But before we get too excited about all the good things ChatGPT can do, we need to ask ourselves, are we ready? How can organizations prepare so they don't have any bad surprises when they fully implement ChatGPT in the future? These questions can help us find the right balance between technology and autonomy so that we can stay safe. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way that AI chatbots are used. It's become the go-to tool for businesses all over the world, and it's only getting more popular. ChatGPT offers a lot of great features like natural language processing technology that gives accurate answers quickly and easily. But there is some concern that it could take over Google by crowding out other search engines with its accuracy onboarding rate of 96%. This raises an important question. What can we do now to make sure that future generations benefit from these powerful tools without them overshadowing or overtaking existing forms? It can be hard to think beyond our own lifetimes, but having safeguards in place now will help create a legacy that lasts far longer than anything else imaginable. So how do we make sure that new generations get the most out of automated tech services while also continuing to develop them? ChatGPT is an amazing tool with a lot of potential. It can help us automate a lot of things in our lives like customer service and digital assistance. The same power can also make ChatGPT a hub for advanced AI research and development in the future, as long as it's used ethically. With its natural language processing capabilities and other machine learning tools like facial recognition algorithms and predictive analytics software, there's a lot of possibilities for ChatGPT users. This could mean improved customer experience, better healthcare robotic systems, and more. ChatGPT could become a leader in intelligent automation, revolutionizing how businesses interact with customers and creating meaningful opportunities for innovation. But how can entrepreneurs use this platform responsibly so their businesses have a positive impact on society? What safeguards should organizations have in place when using or implementing these technologies? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot used by businesses all over the world to automate customer service interactions. It has a user-friendly interface and natural language processing technology, making conversations faster and more accurate. But with this power comes potential ethical implications, like privacy concerns or issues with surveillance technology. This raises the question of how much control should be put on these powerful tools, and what measures organizations should take to remain ethically conscious while still taking advantage of the benefits. In addition, there's a balance between precision and speed when using AI chatbots like ChatGPT, as well as the cost and pricing models. Lastly, organizations need to consider how to use technology safely while protecting people's rights and freedoms. In the next video, AI Time Machine, Is There More for My Heritage in the Future, we'll explore how My Heritage is taking advantage of ChatGPT's powerful features in order to create a better experience for customers. Don't miss out on this exciting exploration in the future of AI. Tune in now to find out if My Heritage has a bright future ahead. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, join Life Hacks by subscribing.